So Congress just said that this will be happening for 2024. We also have an XRP price glitch, which we are going to be having a look at, as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XLM. And we will be having a look at more XRP news for today, the 1st of December. All I ask from you are two things, which is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel as well. So French Hill actually went on CNBC and he said that the stablecoin and market structure bill will get House floor vote in early 2024. But listen to what he says with regards to the Bitcoin spot ETF and whether we will be seeing approval very soon or not.
But we want to go to the floor with both the stablecoin bill and the framework bill early in 2024. It'll be both the House Ag Committee and the House Financial Services Committee working on it. They'll be bipartisan, and I expect us to be successful early in 2024.
Early in 2024, and then a spot Bitcoin ETF comes right after that?
Well, look, the consumers want a Bitcoin ETF, and one of the things our bill does actually is create oversight for the spot market for Bitcoin, for the CFTC from a regulatory point of view, which has been one of the impediments to getting an ETF approved. But I think those applications are near completion at the SEC. I think it's something that will benefit institutional and individual investors.
All right.
So again, I know that we are all in the unknown about the approvals. There has been an estimated time that it will be approved in early January, but it seems like as if he has some sort of information that the SEC are nearly approving that spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, if you don't already know, the Congress actually has the FIT 21 bill, and that basically sets out a frame regarding the regulation of digital assets in the US. So obviously the likes of XRP and XLM coin come into that. And I think that once they get this done and sorted, it will lead to more adoption. And just imagine for XRP and XLM coin how much they will be able to gain in 2024 and 2025 when the regulatory side of things starts to become more clear and clarified, especially for XRP coin as well. So let's have a look at these price glitches that we've currently had. Now these are in pounds, and so I will be doing the conversions for you, and I always wonder whether these are actually real or not, because we have seen a lot of different screenshots, but these could be future price predictions, right? We have seen Bitcoin hit all-time highs before, and £40,000 is not unrealistic, and so £47,000 I definitely think is a future price for Bitcoin. And so for the conversions, 47k for Bitcoin would be $59,000, for Ethereum 2.5k would be $3,278, for XRP 76p would be $97, and for XLM 14 cents would be 19 cents. So what is realistic, right? Well, I think for Bitcoin a $40,000 price target is pretty realistic for now, considering the fact that the current price is nearing to $39,000. It's actually at 38.6k. For Ethereum we are currently at $2,000, and so in order to reach 3k it is pretty high, and I would say it is a little bit out of reach. For XRP we are trading at 61 cents, and so in order to hit $1, again we still have that lawsuit coming soon, so I do think that it can take quite a while, but $1 is definitely not impossible, especially as we go towards 2024 and 2025. And for XLM coin, 19 cents when we are currently at 12 cents definitely does seem quite reasonable. And so with these price glitches, some of them are actually realistic price targets that we have. So Stuart Alderoty has actually tweeted out this that came from Wall Street Journal, and it says the Supreme Court has repeatedly ruled against the SEC in recent years. The SEC is anything but infallible. It is bloated, broken, and beleaguered. Don't be intimidated when they come knocking. So again, this just goes to show that the SEC are using their power unjustly, and it also shows how corrupt the SEC really is. The amount of damage that the SEC has committed without any repercussions I have seen on their end is quite unbelievable. And so this article just reinforces how bad the SEC actually is, and with the way that they are operating they need to change. And so we have this video now. It's to do with Metico. Every bank wants to know how to launch their own stablecoin, and the reason why this is the case is because it comes down to the access of it being accessible 24/7 365 days a year, compared to banks that don't have the same capability and are actually shortening their operating hours. And so some banks categorize them into business days and non-business days, and so you're probably losing out on 2 days, and of course outside any of the normal operating hours for the banks as well. And so it does make sense for them to have their own stable coin, and with with XRP coin, it provides a solution to these institutions, as institutions can adopt stablecoins. And this is because we know that the XRP ledger is being adopted for these stablecoin initiatives. So really bullish news for XRP. Now let's have a look at the price action for both of these coins. And so XRP coin is at 61 cents. Yesterday it did fall by 1 cent and it was trading at 60 cents. So we have now increased by 1 cent again. The market cap is at 32.88 billion and our 24-hour volume is at 867.53 million. We are nearly up by 1% on the 1-day chart. On the 1 week, we are down by 1.7%. If we have a look at where we've been trading for the 1 month, again, we have been pretty much sideways trading, especially at this low end of the 60 cent level. And so let's see if XRP can actually hit 63 cents in the next coming days. If we have a look at XLM coin, we just hit 12 cents. Our market cap is at 3.35 billion. Our 24-hour volume is just under $70 million. On the 1 week chart, we are up by 1.3%. Again, there's a lot of sideways trading for XLM coin. Let's see if it can hit 15 cents soon. Guys, if you want daily XRP coin and XLM coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.